Hello guys, good evening, mega love shout out. So nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Dubai Mall. So yan, dito tayo ngayon sa Fountain. Yan, Dubai Fountain. Yan guys. So tapos na yung fountain guys. So every 30 minutes naman siya guys. So yan. So today is my day off. So ako guys, nagpasyal-pasyal ako guys. So yun. Kasi masarap bumalik-balik dito guys sa Dubai Mall. Yan. Yan. Ito naman yung Dubai Life, yung Burj Khalifa guys. Actually guys, maraming tao guys. Kahit summer na, maraming pumapunta guys sa Dubai Mall. Yan. Ito yung guys, yung bothing na 68 yung bayad guys. Yan. Diba ang ganda guys? Yan. Yan guys. Yan. Ganda di ba guys? Yan. Maraming mga bangka guys, yung boat. Yan. Mostly ang sumasakay yung mga tourist. Yan guys, nag-enjoy sila sumakay kasi nga gusto nila tingnan yung ang gaano kagandang Dubai Fountain. Yan guys, yan naman ang address hotel. Yan. Yan, ito naman. Ang dami tao guys. Yan. Yan lang guys. So, lakad tayo guys. Yan. Balik na yung ano ko guys Pero iba-iba naman yung date guys. Yan. Yan guys. Thank you for watching. Yan guys, thank you for watching.